In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password on Notion. If you've been thinking about refreshing your password for security reasons, you're in the right place. We'll go through the entire process together, step by step, to ensure you can do it easily. First things first, open your web browser and head over to Notion. You can do this by entering the URL in the address bar or searching for Notion on your preferred search engine. Once you're on the Notion homepage, if you're not signed in already, make sure to log into your account using your current credentials. Once logged in, your next task is to locate the settings. Usually, settings can be found by navigating to the top right corner of the screen where your profile icon is displayed. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu should appear. Now, look for the Settings option within this menu and give it a click. This will take you to a page where you can manage various account settings. On the settings page, there's another section dedicated to your profile. Find where it says profile and click on your profile name. This will direct you to your profile details, which are essential for managing your personal information and preferences. Now, scan through the options available on this page and focus on finding where it says change password. Click on this link and you will be directed to a new page where you can begin the process of updating your password. Here's where you'll enter your current password to start making changes. This step is crucial as it ensures that you are authorized to make said updates. Carefully type in your current password into the designated field. After confirming your identity with your current password, it's time to create a new one. Think of a strong password, something that's not easily guessable but memorable enough for you. As a tip, consider using a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance security. Enter your new password in the new password field. Next, you'll need to confirm that new password. Type it again in the designated confirm password field. This step is necessary to ensure that you didn't make any typographical errors when entering your new password the first time. Double check both entries to ensure they match, as this will prevent any potential access issues later on. Finally, after verifying that everything is correct, locate the button that says change password at the bottom of the page. Go ahead and click that. If everything was entered correctly, you should receive a confirmation message that your password has been successfully updated. And that's it. You've successfully changed your password on Notion. By keeping your password updated, you're taking an important step in safeguarding your personal information. Don't forget to jot your new password down in a secure place or consider using a password manager to store it safely. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Have a great day,